I'm going to tell you why all of us developers end up on Stack Overflow at some point or another to solve all our life problems. Or, well, development problems, depending what you're looking for. But in my case, I'm going to sum this up in 10 seconds. You can watch the whole video if you want to see some real life examples, but the summary is that us developers are always working with third-party libraries that we don't know about, with code that we've probably never looked at in the future, or in the past, or anywhere in between. And we have to figure out these solutions to bugs that appear in there. And we do this by having a look on Stack Overflow for those solutions. Those solutions are code that we don't probably even understand. So realistically, we're solving problems we don't know about with solutions we don't understand, and somehow between the two is Stack Overflow providing us with that communication stream. It means that us developers essentially do the work, and do the work well, without really knowing what it is that we're doing, really. I know that I've figured out so many bugs without really understanding the solution, and yet I found that solution in Stack Overflow, and I've been ridiculously happy when I did find it, because it just happened to work. And this is probably the story that I've had in my own experiences. I do a lot of work in React Native, and yet I'm sure there's examples of this all over the place. From to-do lists to building out features and functionality with web apps, and maybe using libraries and frameworks and React and Angular. And yeah, I can understand that Angular might have a bug or two here or there, and yet being able to have a safe community like Stack Overflow, which unfortunately just isn't that safe, but we do have no real other alternative, is a great place to just find those solutions. And why do I say that it's not a great place? Well, if you've been on there for longer than 1 minute, then you might realize that sometimes the comments on there don't have this social tact that they should have. They just aren't as friendly as you might consider. And it's very strange. Us developers, I thought, are really social. We're very friendly. And yet, the realistic concept here is that a lot of people blame Stack Overflow for not having the best results. But it's not actually Stack Overflow that have all these people that just seem to push people down, downvote them, give some really nasty replies. It's actually us as a community. And this is why I think that there has to be a bit of a change when it comes to Stack Overflow. Yes, it is one of the de facto places to go to for problems and solutions. I've answered a few questions on there, I've posted my own, and eventually I stopped doing that altogether because I was scared to hear about what some people might say, such as, why are you even asking this question? Are you even a developer? And yes, I might have possibly done a bit more Googling, but sometimes you just don't know what to Google to find the answer. So you post it on Stack Overflow. And these comments don't really help anyone out. Yes, I understand that it does take a lot of time to answer questions, and I often get quite a few questions thrown myself on DMs, on LinkedIn, on messaging. And yes, I myself don't have time to answer everyone. When I can, I try to, and when I can't, I just let people know transparently that I simply get asked a lot of questions every day, and I can't help everyone out. This is why I do these videos, to help out more people in one go, rather than individually as I can. But this is the same thing for Stack Overflow. I wish that more people were understanding that sometimes you just don't know what the answer is. If we can answer, if we can be polite, if we can all help each other out, we could make that community a much better place. So this is my call out to Stack Overflow. If you're on there, try and answer someone else's question next time you are. And if you don't know a question and you want, or if you see an idiotic question, I suppose, or something that just doesn't make any sense, be polite, be friendly. Imagine that's your friend you're going out to help out, because realistically, Stack Overflow is a friend to all of us, and we should be friendly back. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick one on Stack Overflow. This is my own thoughts, and I hope that maybe this will help you be on there a little bit more and help more people out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.